is Garnet of January. Welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to come through and show you guys an amateur eyebrow tutorial. I guess you could call it a tutorial. I usually don't do a whole lot with my eyebrows. My focus now is to really try to get them to grow because I like more of a natural look, but I have been experimenting with different techniques to try to, I guess, build the thickness of my eyebrows, and just using different products and trying to get them to stand out. So this is the way my eyebrows look without anything on them. I don't have any makeup on. I'm treating these spots over here. Usually I would just cover it up with some makeup, but I didn't today. I may put some on later, but right now this is just my face with nothing on it. I did add a little bit of mascara before I got started, just to kind of give me a boost, to give me something to start with. Now, the first thing I'm gonna start with is, okay, so this rubbed off, okay. I have been using this. I know, I think I got this from, I want to say Ulta. I think I got this from Ulta. I'm not gonna use the concealer, by the way. It's an okay concealer. I'm just not a fan of the liquid concealers. As far as the color and it matching my skin, I'm just gonna dab a little here. This is normally what I would do to conceal, but as you can see, it's not, it's not really my color. I would usually go in with a darker shade and then put that on top, and it still doesn't work. So I got this from Ulta. It is a highlighter, and I've rubbed all the wording off of it, so I don't know what color it is. I just know that I've used it, the last couple of times that I've attempted to do the eyebrow thing, and I like it better when it comes to adding the crayon pomade as my filler in. So I'm just gonna repeat the process, and I'm gonna go on top here. Okay, and the bottom. Okay, and I'm gonna do the other side the same way. And I totally forgot another thing too. I have this brow brush, and let's see, it's by Prestige, and it's called a brow lash brush, and I do remember picking this up from Ulta. So I just want to first kind of go in between and make sure that the hairs are aligned the best that I can get them aligned. Normally I would do this before. I know this is all kind of backwards, but you would do this first, okay? You would do this first. But since this is an amateur video, I'm kind of all over the place, but just bear with me. And then I'm gonna go back in with the Brow Drummer Crayon Pomade. And now I'm going to fill in, and I probably should have wiped that off because now I have some of the other stuff left on there. So I'm just gonna wipe it off a little bit. But I'm gonna go in and fill in where I feel like my brows are the sparsest, but really just go down the whole length of the brow. Okay. And this, this is buildable. Like you can make it as deep as you like. Like I said, I don't like mine very dark. I don't think it contrasts, that darkness contrasts with my complexion at all. Like I've done it before. I've had my brows professionally done before, and the girl did them so dark that I was embarrassed to walk through the mall with my eyebrows looking that way. I walked through the mall with my hands over my head, just like this, all the way to the car. And when I got to the car, I scrubbed. You would have thought that I was going crazy in that car. Like I scrubbed the stuff off. It looked horrible. I don't see how people can walk around. I mean, well, I've seen some nice ones. I've seen people do nice ones, and I guess it just depends on, I think it has a lot to do with your complexion too. It's just, oh my God, it just didn't look right on me. It didn't look good on me at all. So needless to say, I just I went and I was just like scrubbing that stuff off because I could not bear it. It was horrendous. It was horrendous. And I haven't been back since to a professional to get my eyebrows done. It's just a bad experience all the way around. Okay. And then I'm going to take this NYX eye and eyebrow pencil. This is in the color dark brown. And I'm going to go in and lightly, very lightly, go in and on top of that and kind of give it a little bit more of a gradient, I guess, to darken it just a tad bit more. Okay. I know I look a hot mess right now. Let's see if we can clean that up. Okay. And okay. Then after that, I'm going to use this Beauty Accents eyebrow. It's an eyeshadow brush. And I'm going to go in and start blending out the highlighter that was applied first. So I feel like this one over here, the right one always turns out great. The left one is always a wonder. So I don't know. Let's see. What can I do? I feel like I feel like it's uneven for some reason here. Let's see. I know this is so unprofessional to go in with my finger and to start wiping things, but you know, I did say that I was an amateur at this. Okay. I feel a little bit better. This is not something that I would do every day. I'm not into, you know, drawing brows on every day. I feel like it takes up a lot of time and you really have to have a steady hand. But anyway, this is what I'm looking at. I'm going to finish putting on my makeup and I may tweak it a little bit. But right now, this is what I'm looking at, okay? So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my hair down. I'm not going to put on any foundation or anything like that because I'm just not in the mood today to do that. So I'm just going to take my hair down. And this is, I added this hair a couple of days ago because I wanted something different. And I used, and I'm having like breakouts right here, but I used some hair that I just had lying around and just kind of slicked my edges down a little bit. I don't know if you can see that. Just to kind of give it a little bit of blend. It's not really the same texture and I'm not concerned about that. And then I just did one little twist up here to kind of conceal some of my, conceal some of the wefts that, you know, that I used. Okay, and then I'm just gonna, right now I'm just gonna take that loose. I had some heat damage done. I did have a sew-in a couple of months ago, and I did get a lot of heat damage like in this area because I had leave out right there, and I decided to just cut it because I could not stand looking at it, even in my twist outs. Like I couldn't stand looking at it, so I did cut it, and so that's why some hairs are kind of sticking up right there. So I will leave a description of the hair down in the name of the hair and everything down in the description box. So if you're interested, this is like a French wave. I love the French wave. Okay, so what I do here is I just kind of, because it's not really blending with my natural hair, I just kind of go in and kind of use gel to slick my hair down. Okay, and I'm going to add a little bit of, not a little bit, but I'm going to add some lipstick to just give me a little color. This is Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick. It's in the color Plum Bomb. And I'm going to add some here. Okay. I do like to layer my lipsticks because even though I like that color, it's not the color that I was aiming for. I actually saw a ColourPop color. I forget what color it was, but I actually saw it on a particular YouTuber, and I was thinking, hey, I could, I have different, I have so many lipsticks, guys, that I could actually blend 2 or 3 together to get that same color. This is not, it's beautiful, it's a nice color, but it's not the color I'm looking for. And then I'm going to go in with my LA Colors, which is one of the cheapest lipsticks out there. I think I got it from like a Family Dollar, and it's in the color, well, actually, let's see, it's in the color Bewitched, and it's a matte lipstick. So on top of this, I'm gonna add that. Okay, it's a beautiful like wine red color, really pretty. I'm gonna add that on top. Okay, and then on top of that, I'm gonna add, this is another lipstick that I got from a dollar store. I don't remember, it's so old. Once again, I've rubbed the name brand off of it, but the color is Spicy Brown. Now I can see that, and I'm gonna add that on top to kind of give me the color that I was going for. So you can see how I've graded that up, kind of graded that down and made a custom color for myself. Okay, so basically that's it. Just real simple, basic. My eyebrows are okay. I still feel like I could probably, I don't know, like they're kind of uneven. I don't know, let's see. Go back in a little bit on his side. I don't know, I don't want to do too much to him. Okay, so anyway, this is the finished look for today. I'm going to show you the outfit of today. Okay. Show you the outfit of the day, which is basically just a just like a maxi dress, I guess. Okay, just a maxi dress. Get over here in the light so you can see me better. So yeah, this is it for today. I feel like I want to be on a beach or something somewhere. I don't know, it's weird. So yeah, I guess I will talk to you guys later, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this little amateur video on how I do my brows. Like I said, I could use a lot of practice. I have absolutely no mascara on, so I hope I'm not scaring anybody. But anyway, it was so nice to have you guys back. Those of you who are new, please go ahead and tap that subscribe button. I'll be glad to have you here. Those of you who are coming back, hello, I didn't leave, and I will see you in another video.